Doing that Banshee walk around today. That pretty good looking grill. I got the chrome stem. Got the dual core billet radiator. Got some skulls up in there. Got that front end. Another little guy hiding back in there. Got some 450 shocks that I put on there. We got the, what do we got? It's called the Hemi cool head. Then I've just put some brand new carburetors on here. Got them Kinds running really good since I put them on. Got the T5 Tumis. Even went with billet spacers, looking good. Got the frame powder coated black with some light green and chrome. Just got new handle grips and a new thumb throttle. Them carbon fiber grips for levers. Just got some new tips put on, some billet tips. Nice little brake. Got it set up pretty good. Got the red chain. Taller haulers. And then, of course, just rebuilt the whole motor, bottom up, put some bigger jugs on it. Starts right up, first kick. Just kick it right here from the side.